Hello everyone. Today's topic is simple future tense. This tense is used for those sentences which refer to the actions which will occur later in future. So, the structure of simple future tense is subject plus shall or will plus first form of verb plus object. Here children, first form of verb is the base or the simplest form of verb. Now, what is the difference between will and shall? The rule is that will should be only used with second and third person pronouns. Do you remember that children? Second and third person pronouns are you, he, she, it, they. And with first person pronouns that are I and we. The correct verb to talk about the future is shall. Let us take these examples. She will come tomorrow. I shall be in Japan this time next year. He will stay with us for 3 days. Notice where will is used and shall is used. To understand the concept of future tense better, let us do this worksheet. Fill in the blanks with the simple future tense of the verbs given in the bracket. We dash what we can do to help you. The verb in the bracket is see. So you will just add shall and the verb. So we shall see what we can do to help you. It dash tomorrow. The verb is rain. It will rain tomorrow. The gardener dash the plants next month. The verb is water. The gardener will water the plants next month. Sean dash his lesson tomorrow at this time. The verb is revise. Sean will revise his lesson tomorrow at this time. Sarah dash tea when you enter her room. The verb is make. Sarah will make tea when you enter her room. The patient dash rest when the doctor arrives. The verb is take. The patient will take rest when the doctor arrives. We dash our courses by the end of January. The verb is complete. We shall complete our courses by the end of January. Remember, it is a first person pronoun, so it will take shall. Next we have Samantha dash for Madras this time tomorrow. The verb is leave. Samantha will leave for Madras this time tomorrow. The peon dash the bell when I reach the school. The verb is ring. The peon will ring the bell when I reach the school. I dash in London tomorrow. The verb is be. So I is the first person. So it will take shall. I shall be in London tomorrow. I hope the concept of simple future tense is clear, children. Now we have completed all the simple tenses, that is simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. So let us recap the structures. What is the structure of simple present tense? Yes, it is subject plus verb plus s or es form plus object. Then what is the structure for simple past tense? It is subject plus second form of the verb plus object. Now simple future tense, it is subject plus shall or will plus first form of verb plus object. So remember all these structures, children. So I hope the concept of the simple tenses are clear, children. Now here is a worksheet for you to do. So keep practicing. Thank you.